Jess took out her camera bag to try and get underweight on the check-in bags.
Still didn't work.
We were still over.
We are at the airport in Darwin. We got up super early this morning because we are flying to Singapore. It's a little before 4 o'clock. We got through security and now we're gonna hang out at the lounge for the next hour.
Hi. Bye, thanks so much.
We made it to Singapore.
You're standing in the middle of the road. Thanks so much.
We just got a taxi from the airport. We're gonna be staying in Little India in an Airbnb and we're about to meet our host.
This is our Airbnb. It's got 5 rooms that share this common area. Seems like it's got everything you need to make coffee or whatever you want for breakfast. And this one back here is our little space. It's quite cozy. Reminds us a lot of our camper truck we just left in Australia, so we feel right at home.
So we woke up at 2:30 this morning. We had breakfast around 4. It's only 10:30 now, but our bodies definitely feel like it's lunchtime. So we're gonna walk about 15 minutes from our Airbnb and go to a hawker center and get some lunch.
Yes, please.
Love spicy. Oh, that's spicy. I'm so excited. I would say that was a success. Extra. Thank you. Take 2.
These noodles are amazing.
Which one you want?
We're gonna do one of each. Yes.
Thank you. We're making our way through the market and taking a break from food. We got a soya bean and grass jelly drink. These were each 70 cents.
One last stop before we head back to the Airbnb.
I don't know what the sauce is, but I saw other people doing it. I don't know what that one is either. Well, we're gonna go for it. To be honest, I'm already full, but that place had the longest line of the whole market, so there's no way we could pass this up. We had read that the best way to save money on food in Singapore was at the hawker centers. We just spent $11.90 on all of that food, so I'm gonna go ahead and say that was a huge success. Our 2:30 wake-up call is hitting us pretty hard at this point, so we're gonna go back to our Airbnb and take it easy for the rest of the afternoon. It's a little after 5 and we're finally venturing back out. We spent the better part of the afternoon at our Airbnb and took a nap. The timing actually really worked out because it poured down rain. We are walking to the train station now and we're gonna head into the city.
We're here at the heart of the business district at the Lau Pa Sat food court, which is one of the oldest markets in Singapore. It was built in the 1800s, and in just a few minutes, they're going to be shutting the street down behind me at 7, and all the food vendors are going to be out in full force. It is 7:10 and the street is already packed. Thank you very much. Thank you. We just grabbed a table and we went with a mix of things from on the street and inside. We got fried kway tao, veggie naan, and chicken satay.
What an awesome intro to Singapore and Southeast Asia. It was such a cool energy when they were getting ready to shut down the street. People were lined up waiting for things to get set up and the tables were full in a matter of minutes. I read that it's open till 3 a.m. Not for us. We're gonna go ahead and head back to our apartment now.